Hello, long time no speak. Just thought I would put a quick video together for you today using the Hip Kit April 2019 kit, using Paige Evans Horizon here. And these are pictures from November 2016 from Birds of a Feather Paige Taylor Evans workshop. So I always wanted to scrap these with a Paige collection, and forgot what I'd done with the pictures. Okay, so I start off. I've printed the group shot. I did that on an A4 sheet of photo paper, because I decided I wanted that to be, you know, if you've seen many of my layouts, you'll see I like a shelf, a layout with a shelf. So I thought the group photo would make a really good shelf for the little picture. And the little picture is myself with Paige, my sister-in-law, and sister-in-law's friend. So we three of us often scrap together. This was actually me getting back into scrapping. I hadn't done anything that wasn't Stampin' Up related for a very long time. I had the Stampin' Up convention the day before, and sister-in-law and Dawn picked me up and took me to this, which was actually on my 42nd birthday, which was brilliant. So you see there, I've cut a load of manufacturer strips off, and there's a Chamel Glimmer, not Glimmer Girl, Sparkle City in there as well. Decided I actually didn't want that. I'm just going to stick with the background paper and then grab the embellishments. This retreat, this workshop, is when I got properly back in scrapbooking, and I spent about £300. Birds of a Feather, who had their shop there. You see Sarah on the very end with a red pinny on, or is it a red dress? Sorry, Sarah. On the far left, Sarah and Lianne had Birds of a Feather shop there for the weekend. I spent about £300 with them, 200 on craft supplies and 100 on storage. And yeah, it properly got me back in scrapbooking, and not looked back, and spent a lot more with them since. Okay, so I'm here just embellishing. So I've got the cardstock stickers from Horizon out, so I have to layer that up with a heart from the die cut ephemera, and yeah, just made a couple of layers for that little piece, that cluster there. I'm just sticking my photos down, and talk through that cluster in a minute when I bring it back on. Here, looking through the Project Life cards for something to put behind, layer behind photos, decide not to do it. It says best day ever, I think, on that little piece I've just put on. Now playing around with these tags. Text me while I decide what order I'm putting them in, with it having the same colours on the pattern paper behind it. I do play about with having something blue behind to the right, but I decided not to do that in the end and left it with just the two tags. But I do get those cardstock stickers and the ephemera back out again in a minute. Okay, sorry, Mr. Ding is trying to distract me. He's being very, very naughty.
300 quid, eh? Not that now.
Yeah, he's just found out how much I spent with Birds of a Feather that day. It was 3 years ago nearly. So yeah, he thought I'd won it in raffle. That is actually what I quite often tell him when I bring home new craft stuff, and he never believes me. He knows I've bought it. It's just a joke we have. I did that weekend actually win something in a raffle. I won Just Nick voucher, and that's when I discovered cut files and backgrounds. So in the past I'd only used my scan and cut for cutting out my stamped images. Discovered Just Knit that weekend. I won a voucher. Okay, so back to the layout. Had added some of the word strips from the cardstock stickers and cut in half one of those other flower, circle, rosette type things, and got that in just in two spots there, just to have the embellishments on a diagonal. Decided to go on diagonal rather than 3 points. I think you'd either look at doing a visual triangle or a diagonal. I prefer doing my diagonals left to right, because that's you read left to right. I think it more naturally draws your eye that way. So yeah, just thinking about using some of these chipboard. stickers now, which I do like, and there's quite a few of them I wanted to use. I just end up using that one, but it's a minute or two before I put the sheet back down again. Yeah, I do like that little ribbon one I just took off. I can't remember what it said, but it was really, it was relevant to what I was trying to say on the page, but I didn't like where it fitted. Oh my gosh, I adore these. It's a Hip Kit exclusive. Loads of words. I absolutely love them. Puffy stickers they are. So I got the perfect weekend for the title from this collection. I'm really sorry we can hear my chair squeaking. I've left my computer chair right over the other side of the craft room at the craft table. So I've got a folded up computer chair. So just getting the little bits out the middle of those letters. And then I think I go with a few hearts. And my date stamp. Oh yeah, see, about to put the packet away, and then I thought, oh no, I'll add a few hearts here. So I really love those. I'm not sure it's supposed to be navy blue or black, but they're really dark and quite possibly are actually black, but I think they would look blue again with something blue. If that makes any sense whatsoever. Okay, so I wanted to put BOAF on this, which is Birds of a Feather, and the font that came with that kit was a little bit too small, so I've got this out from a past Hip Kit. I think this was actually from a couple of years ago. My basket of stickers is right next to me, and all my Hip Kit and Flisted Jane alphas are in there as well. So I'm just working out where it's all going. So my B and my F at the same height. I really should have just done it all at the bottom, to be fair. There we go. Move my B over. Just my journaling now, which is about how this was my 42nd birthday. Oh, there you go. Trying to unsticky the back of that sticker because it keeps sticking to the photo. I want it to stand proud, which is why it's on the 3D foam. Just sorting that out. Okay, so here we are, the date stamp. I struggle trying to get it so thick, and it's realised that I'm making the 10, 20, 30, the 1, 2, 3, and I'm like, when I go through that twice, I finally realise I'm turning the wrong wheel. Here we go, look, this is me and then realise I've turned the wrong wheel. Okay, so yeah, date on, and then journaling. So yeah, 42nd birthday, it was Birds of a Feather and Paige Evans workshop, and it's first time I had in years I'd done any scrapping that wasn't Stampin' Up related, and found that the scrapping industry have moved on quite a bit in the time. So yeah, that's what my journaling's about. We are nearly done. There will be a still photo at the end, but it's not really going to show you much more than you've seen here. Hope to do some more videos for you soon. I know it's been a while since I've done a new one. I've got tons of old ones that I found that I've never posted, so I'll be posting them as well at some point. But for now, thanks very much for watching, and have a lovely crafty weekend whilst I'm at the day job. Thanks a lot. Bye.